Hi, it's Wendy. Now, what I want to do is show you a little bit about how to open your Zoom account and manage your own Zoom account. This way, you can start your own meetings, your own parties, and run them as the host. Okay, here we go. I'm going to close the camera app here. This is my desktop. I find that using Zoom from your phone is easy when you're a participant, but it's not as easy to set up things and to get everything working correctly from your phone. It will work, and you can also use a tablet, but I like to use my computer. So from the computer, you open your browser. Now, if you use a Mac, you use Safari, and if you use a regular PC, you can use anything. Internet Explorer, Firefox, I use Chrome. So from here, you go to zoom.us. And that is the website. And that's what brings you to your video conferencing, web conferencing solution. Now, if you're not logged in, now I'm logged in right now, so let me log out. I'm going to go here and sign out. All right. When you're not logged in, what happens is you can see this sign up. It's free. Now, I want to show you what you get with the free stuff. So let's go to plans and pricing, because you don't need more than this. I have booked in for the Pro option. The reason I have the Pro option is because I wanted to have a longer meeting duration. All right, it's here, the meeting duration is limited to 40 minutes. Okay, 40 minutes. But I wanted to be able to have team times and other meetings, so I wanted to be able to meet for longer than 40 minutes. The second reason is I wanted to be able to have them recorded. So I can actually record the cloud recording here up to 1 gigabits of a video recording. And that helps me to be able to share my meetings with other people after the event. So that's important, again, for me running my business. However, if all I was doing was hosting parties, I wouldn't want those parties to go too long. And I think that the free solution should be sufficient for you. So really important that you know that. Now there's kind of, just have a look at all of the stuff you get for free. 100 participants, unlimited one-to-one meetings, 40-minute limits on group meetings. You can have an unlimited number of meetings, so you can do them all day long if you want to. Video conferencing features, look at all of these. HD video, active speaker view, full screen and gallery view. They can join by phone if they can't get there with their internet. Web conferencing features are all here. All right, you've got host controls. They can raise their hand. You can turn these on and off. The group collaboration features, even the breakout rooms are available on a basic package, which is really, really good. You've got whiteboarding capabilities, which means that you could like draw a picture up there with everybody watching and be able to demonstrate something more easily. And security features, they are adding security features as they go. And Zoom has been under a little bit of scrutiny with all of the people using Zoom right now. They are really locking down on their security and making things even better. So all of that was in the free basic plan. So just click this sign up, it's free. All you have to provide with them is your email address and hit sign up. If you prefer to sign up with Google or with your Facebook account, you can sign up that way. And that's it. You don't have to give them a credit card number in order to have a free account. And I really highly recommend that you establish that as quickly as you can. So pretend that I have then just signed up for my own account. You go through that process. I'm going to sign in now as me, Wendy, Wendy the Candle Lady, .com. I think it's going to come up with my password automatically. Stay signed in and sign in. Good. Okay, so this is me. Now, what I've done is I've got some upcoming meetings, and you'll notice that I'm actually in my net browser still. I am not in Zoom really yet. I'm in the Zoom browser, and you can see upcoming meetings that I have, previous meetings, personal meeting room, meeting templates. I don't really use a lot of this, but I do use something. See this get training? you can actually see a lot of training on Zoom. So if this hasn't been sufficient, or if this just whets your appetite, go ahead and click that button and you can do a lot more training because they train on everything. So you can see that I've set up a recurring meeting for the Rainbows to have a happy hour on Wednesdays, and it's got a meeting ID number, and I can just click this button to start it. And if I do, what's going to happen is it's going to start the meeting. It's going to open up the Zoom app. So Zoom is an app that gets added to your computer, just like it's an app that gets added to your phone or your iPad. All right. So I did set up a meeting to show you what I was doing. So here's just my meeting. All right. I didn't do anything today. 1 o'clock. It's 1:50 now. It's got a meeting ID number there. Let's just hit the start button and see what happens. When we start that meeting, it opens up the app. Do you see what it's doing? It's actually not launching here in the browser. It's saying open Zoom meetings. So now I'm opening Zoom meetings and it's connecting me to my meeting. All right. It says it's using the computer audio and it didn't have me muted. I'm not muted right now. I'm going to open this up and then I'm going to show you my video. So video. And this takes us back to the fact, voila, that I'm using my headset, which you can see now when I talk, the little green button, the little green microphone starts to show. Whereas when I had this off, you actually couldn't see me talking because my microphone was so far away from me. If I talk into it, it goes green. And if I talk out here, it doesn't. So that is how to start a meeting. And that's starting a meeting that I set up. And that is how you open your Zoom account, and the difference between seeing Zoom on your computer in your browser and once you open it up as the app. Hopefully that helps. Maybe I'll do a third video on how to actually set up a meeting. All right. Thanks a lot. Bye.